In today's lesson, toda kutarisa coordinate geometry, but before we get into it, I think it's necessary to cover a small revision. Saka, what have we learned when it comes to coordinate geometry? Chektanga, we have to understand the equation of a straight line. So equation of a straight line. Saka, the equation of a straight line is equal to, not it's actually y is equal to mx plus c. Tikati m represent gradient, c represent y intercept, then tikati y x, this is just a general point. So that was the starting position of our lesson. Kanakuti, what we learned when it comes to coordinate geometry. So we want to answer questions which have something to do with coordinate geometry. When it becomes necessary to discuss certain things, we are going to be doing that. We are going to start with that question ino-ish yakanyorwa in June 2020, question 24a, paper 1. Irikuti, a straight line has gradient -1 and passes through the point 3, 0. Find the equation of the line in the form y is equals to mx plus c. Okay. So that is the question we want to start with. Number 1. Tinoiweka say question here. Let us read it, but a little slower. Saka, a straight line has gradient -1. What you do when you answer word questions, zvamunotarisirwa kuita, mufonga kutanga manyora pasi zvamakapiwa nequestion. Saka that first part, not that sentence, irikuti a straight line is gradient -1. Kureva kuti m is equal to -1. Coming from a presupposition yekuti munotoziva kudhara kuti m inorepresenta gradient. So m is -1. Zvobva zvanzi, and passes through the point 3, 0. Saka we are given a point, and the point is 3, 0. But you should also know kuti it's also important to note 3 iyo iri representa x and 0 iri representa y, because our coordinate points anotiudza kuti kudini, anotiudza kuti the point written nakuti noted on a Cartesian plane is made up of an x and also a y. We take the x from the x-axis and the y from the y-axis. Are you familiar with this? Kuti kana tichite point ndechirevei uye kuti xy zviri kurevei. Okay. So that is what we are given. Let us read our question. Question iri kuti, find the equation of the line yobva in the form y is equals to mx plus c. So what we do to make life easier for us, we can start off by drawing a line. But since our gradient is negative, if you remember well, so that line really should be downward sloping. So is a line like this. Then this is the point we have 3, 0. So as we try to dramatize our situation so that we can answer it properly. But remember what I told you. Kana tichida kutsvaga the gradient of a line, we have to have 2 points. Saka paline redu iri tangopiwa only 1 point, 3, 0. Saka tinotora any other point from this line to label x, y, like that. so that we have 2 points. Then tadaro, what we are building upon the information yakuti the gradient of a straight line is constant. Kureva kuti at any point the gradient of a straight line does not change. Do you know that? So it's not part of our solution, but let me write it down. The gradient of a straight line, take note of that straight line, is constant. That's important to note. So to draw a line redo, we noted that we have this point 30, then tovakagadzira another point xy yatinogona kuisa anywhere on this line. Then we go back to what we are given in the question. Tatudzwa kudhara kuti the gradient is chi minus 1. But we are going to act as if we don't know what the gradient is, and you are going to see what I mean. Ngatishandise mapoints aya ari 2 kucalculate kuti gradient redu rakamira sei. If you remember from our last question or our last lesson, takati the gradient m is calculated as a change in y over a change in x, yatinogona kuti delta y over delta x, which is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And we also said kana chitsvaga gradient, it's important to note x1 saka itoiti chigona ngoiti x1 y1 inoendo inenge yachi x2 y2. Kunota uku kwakakosha because kunotibatsira panapa. Tikaita interchange zvinhu, we don't get the correct gradient. So let us apply that. M is equal to, what is x1? The uyo, so it's x1 minus, forgive me. So the gradient m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. But you can take from this. Zvakakosha kuti pese pamunoda kuapply a certain formula, you write it down to remind yourself. Uye it carries its own marks in the event might I mistake somewhere. Saka the gradient is the change in y over the change in x. Sapana patukutanga na y2. Y2 ndiani is 0. That minus y1 when you're like this. Are we together before I explain what I want to explain? Let us keep this as just x and y. Ndanga ndaichinja because nachida kuaccommodate this, but ndaona kuti I create another problem. So here becomes 0 minus y, like that. I hope I didn't confuse you. Over that over x2 minus x1 kureva kuti 3 minus x. This is the gradient. Takatopiwa gradient kudhara minus 1, saka this is equal to minus 1. Tasvika tesera. Saka tadai so tinenge takungoti chi 0 minus y over 3 minus x iri equal to minus 1. Then of course 0 minus y inongosara iri minus y over 3 minus x is equal to minus 1. Zvatakadzidzisana, we come back to this. Tisati tashandisa cross multiplication. And what it entails is inenge minus y is equal to minus 1. Agara iruko. Then 3 minus x ikuenda kuno multiply uko. 3 minus x, like that. Let us solve this by removing brackets kuside uko. Minus y is equal to minus 1 times 3 minus 3 minus 1 times minus x plus x, like that. But question yedu yati kudini, yati find the equation of the line in the form y is equals to mx plus c. Saka we should keep it in this form. What does it mean? Tinofanga kuva na y kuno, not minus y is equal to, then totangana x tozopedzisira neconstant kuti ive y is equals to mx plus c. So to do that, totanga remove a negative kunoku by dividing by a negative. But remember, clearing the fractions, we have to divide every term inside the equation with this factor minus 1. Saka panapa kuti minus 1 apo kuti minus 1. Maminus aya ari kuchekana kuchosara y kunoku equal to maminus aya anochekana panapa yava 3, but minus 1 into x inova minus x like this. Tasvika tese. Then finally, therefore, y is equal to yakati in the form y is equals to mx plus c. Saka tofunga kutanga nena x minus x plus 3. This will be the final answer. So let me repeat myself so that monyatsa kubata. Zataita panapa ndezvekuti kuti simplify uye understand the question, we had to visualize it. So draw a line, but line redu read downward sloping because of a negative gradient. Tapiwa the gradient, piwa a point. Toshandisa the gradient and the point, tsvaga the equation of a line. Then tovata take note of the point 30. Tovata create another point takati ndiani xy. Tikashandisa mapoints aya ari 2 kutsvaga gradient. Change in y tanga tigona kuinyora takati y minus 0 over x minus 3. This is equals to minus 1. Tinoichika pa change in y over change in x. You have to make sure kuti point yamatora y yekutanga ndiyo futi point yamunodzokera muchinotora x wekutanga. So as you can see panapa, since tatora y kune this point tikati y minus 0, tadzokera patanga takutsvaga x, tadzokera futi tikanotora x kutanga kuti minus 3. Panapa taita the opposite. Tanga nekutora 0 papoint inoi 0 minus y, tikadzokera futi kupoint ikinotsvaga x at 3 minus x. That is what it means. So patinoti y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 kuitira kurangaridza vanokanganwa kuti vadzokere to the same point kunotora y tora x. Are we together? Okay. Then did our calculation properly. I want to believe that you are now okay with arithmetic. If you have any problems, please tell me so that we can solve them. But basically, that is what we do. And question here is actually typical of my questions that I get during practicing this topic. Do you give me clearance to go to the next question? Our next question is from June 2020, question 3C, paper 2. Question yedu kuti the equation of a straight line is y plus 3x is equal to minus 4. So since we are in an exam, we are rushing against time, tinogona kubva tatonyora that information before tatomboverenga any further. Taudzwa kuti y iri equal to chi? It's actually y plus 3x. So y plus 3x is equal to minus 4. That's the equation. So vazvanzi, find the coordinates of the point where the line crosses the y-axis. The point where the line crosses the y-axis is a special term. What is it called? Zita tinopa, the point where a line crosses the y-axis. Let us say our line is like this. Panapa point in a zita. I want an answer from you on this one. Thank you. Saka kana question ikauya ichiti find the coordinates of the point where the line crosses the y-axis. Can you see kuti varongobvunza kuti tell us what is the y-intercept, but in a clever way. You can see that, right? Yeah. Okay. saka ndozvangoitika apa. Saka tinoita sei kuti tiwane y-intercept? Hazvinetsi, tinongoarrange this equation in the form y is equals to mx plus c. Inenge iri c yacho ndiyo chi y-intercept. Saka tichaendesa plus 3x kuside uku yova y is equal to minus 3x like that, then minus 4 yoramba yakadaro like this. Saka as you can see, gradient d minus 3 and c ndiani d minus 4. Please remember kunyora with its sign minus 4. Saka pari kunzi coordinates of the point where the line crosses the x-axis. Another trick to this question haisi kubvunza in particular the y-intercept, iri kuda a point, and we should know that a point is made up of what? X and y. Saka since isusu tawana kuti the y-intercept ndi minus 4, zvazvi kureva ndezvekuti papoint panapa value ya y ndiani minus 4, which is counterproductive because you might be wondering kuti nemhaka yezvadai so. Saka patinodrowa line iri ndangotidrowera for the sake of illustration, but tikada kuti rive perfect, let me draw which is more mathematically inclined. Enge rakadai so. Katarisa our gradient, the gradient is what? The gradient is negative. It's downward sloping, but the point where the line crosses the y-intercept is also negative. Saka line redu rakadai. Panapa ipo pachi pa minus 4. Then it's downward sloping. Saka on a coordinate, on a Cartesian plane, xy plane, line redu ringe rakada kudai so. Ma understand? Okay. Saka what is taona panapa kuti pa point the value of y is minus 4. What is the value of x? What is the value of x? 0. Those noreva kuti intercept. Intercept point line cross the y-axis. Kureva kuti at that point the value of x should be 0, as you can see panapa. Saka therefore point yatanzi titsvage ndiani is 0 minus 4. Zvaoneka nemubvunzo anyway here pamunoda kuti panyatsokutsanangurwa kana kuti okay. Part 2 iri kuda kuti titsvage the gradient of the line. Saka what is the gradient of the line? Sezvatangoratidza panapa ndi minus 3. Ndosaka ine 1 mark. Osi kungotongonotora minus 3 sezvaari kukopa chaiko. Saka that's why ine 1 mark. Then the third part iri kuda kuti titsvage the equation of a parallel line to the line. Saka the equation of a line parallel to the line, y is equals to 3x minus 4 and passing through the point 3, 5. Saka ma-questions aya erudzi urwu anowanzokupata vanhu. So let us break it down. Chamunofanirwa kutanga kuziva ndechekuti gradients of parallel lines are the same. Ndochekutanga. Saka kana tine ma-parallel lines, for example this line parallel to this line, kana gradient repanapa riri 2, gradient reline iri futi ndiani 2, ndochekutanga. Saka ma-questions ese mu-coordinate geometry anouya achitaura pamusoro pe-parallel line, zivai kuti you should take the gradient of one line to be the gradient of the other line. So using that information, where do we get to? We get to this. We draw our line. which is the original line ratinaro. Saka line randadrowa iri ndiro chi y is equal to, actually I can say y is equals to minus 3x minus 4 for the sake of simplicity. Zvataita kumusoro kunoku minus 3x minus 4. But tiri kuudzwa kuti we have to find the equation of a line which is parallel. Saka line iri rine rimwe line riri parallel to it. We have to find the equation of a line parallel to that line and passing through the point 3, 5. Saka let us assume that line rachinenge rakadai so parallel in. We need to find the equation of this line. We don't know it, but we are told that it's parallel to this line. Saka we can put these arrows which show what parallel means, and it's passing through the point 3, 5. Saka along this line we have a point 3, 5. If you look at it closely, you are going to see kuti question yakafanana nequestion yataita number 1, because we are given a point 3, 5 and we are also given a gradient. Gradient ndeani? Minus 3. Gradient line iri ndi minus 3 because gradient line rino iri, of which these two lines are parallel, ndeani? Minus 3. But I can leave it here, referring you back to the first question we did, because in this question a gradient and the point. In this question we deduced again the gradient and the point. So tasvika tesere pano so that we can just rush through the solution. M is equal to tangent y over tangent x. Saka ku line ratiri kutsvaka gradient funga unogadzira a point x y. Toti this is then tokunangotanga na y kunoku, saka y minus 5 over x minus 5. Saka point yatatanga nayo ndo yatoramba tichitanga nayo. This then is equal to chi, the gradient minus 3. Saka y minus 5 yedu tokunakuisa brackets like this over x minus 5 brackets like this is equal to minus 3. Across multiplier zvireva kuti y minus 5 iri equal to minus 3 multiplying x minus 5, like that. Then zvadai so, let us simplify this. Y minus 5 is equal to, we remove brackets, minus 3 times x minus 3x minus 3 times minus 5 plus 15. Then toendesa kunoku, saka y iri equal to minus 3x plus 15, negative becomes a positive kunoku. So y is minus 3x plus 20. That is the equation of a line parallel. Domaona ratinoita kureva kuti we have two lines. We have a line y is equal to minus 3x, it's minus 3x g minus 4, minus 3x minus 4, which is parallel to another line y is equal to minus 3x plus 20. As you can see, the gradient is the same. And denotanga tichida kuisa pa-Cartesian plane. Line riri kutanga ringe riri kunoku, of course, because panapa ndeani minus 4. Saka iri ndiro line y is equal to minus 3x minus 4. Iri rimwe line ringe rakadai so, ari parallel, remember, because panapa ndeani 20. Saka this is the line y is equal to minus 3x plus 20. That is how it looks. Any questions? Anyway, you want clarity or we move on? Okay, moving on it is. But don't keep avenues. pamusinganzwisisi taurai please. That's the reason why we do these lessons live. Our next question is from November 2020, question 23 per 1 Simsek. Question iri kuti, in the diagram line y is equal to minus 2x plus 5. This line is parallel to line h. F is 6 units from the origin. Write down the coordinates of point F and G. Find the equation of line H. To make life simpler, I'm going to reproduce this diagram. But Mimi, in your exam, it's pointless sometimes to reproduce it, since mchikwanisa kungoita scribble the question. So it's something like this. Saka, we are told that these two lines are parallel. That's very important. Importance yacho iri pakuti takutoziva kutoti tikaziva gradient ye-one line tinokwanisa kushandisa the same kuwana gradient yerimwe line. Sataudza kuti this line, the equation is y is equals to minus 2x plus 5. Saka gradient yeline iri ndeyani? Togona kutongoinyora kuti tizvirangaridze ndeyani? Taurai ndichinyora ndichikopa zvimwe. Minus 2, good. Saka ndo zvakaita nhau dzedu. So let us read it. In the diagram, line y is equals to minus 2x plus 5 is parallel to line H. F is 6 units from the origin. Saka F ino yanzi it's 6 units from the origin. Chinonzi origin chi ndepanapa patina 0 ndopa origin. Saka 6 units zvoreva kuti panapa panenge pari chi minus 6 since tiri ku left kwa 0. Ritese? Yeah. Saka po ndi minus 6 ndo zvinoreva kuti 6 units from the origin. Vakangwara vanhu vacho musatombovasaiza henyu. Vanotaura chinhu nechirungu kuti vavhare vanhu. Okay. Saka A yakuti chi? Write down the coordinates of point F and point G. Point F tatopiwa kudhara. Zviri kuoneka here tsana? Ichi point F, ma coordinates ayo. X angari chi? Thank you. A rangu robuda apa. Robudisa. Okay. Saka munogona ngoya panapa moti chi? Moti F. Udza examiner kuti ndiye F. Then ko G yakamira sei? Panapa. X angari chi? Munongoenda papoint motarisa kuti X ndiani kunoku. Handi 0. Y angari chi? This is the point where the line crosses the y-axis. Kureva kuti panapa ndo pana C. Saka y ndeunoyu since yakatonyorwa in the form y is equals to mx plus c. Kureva kuti it's just 0.5 pano. Yapepere. Zvaoneka? Okay. Saka 2 marks dzemahara dzekungonyora zvinhu zvawakatotarisa. B iri kuti find the equation of line H is this line. Saka since we already know kuti pano pana F, it's minus 6 0. And we know the gradient. Tirongoramba tichidzokera pa the same point. Tapiwa a point which is minus 6 0. Takapiwa a gradient which is minus 2. We want to use these two things kutsvaga the equation of the line. So I think we now have an idea kuti ma-questions enyu anga akamira sei. Saka tinoiwana sei? Tinongoti m is equal to change in y over change in x. Saka tinogadzira another point pano xy toti y minus 0 change in y over. Saka y inono subtractawo y kunoku. X yo subtracta x. Saka panapa x subtracting minus 6. Panowanzokanganisa vanhu apa. It's x minus 6 because x agara anofanira unosubtracta x wekuno but asangana nax wekunoku ari minus 6. Saka minus yekutanga iri kubva pamutemo wekutsvaka gradient asi minus yechi2 yakaberekwa na6. Zvaoneka? Okay. Saka panapa this is equal to chi minus 2. Togona kuti atasolve apa kuti tisakonfusika. Saka we know kuti y minus 0 ndeyani? Ndey. Saka tina y panapa minus x plus 6 because my minus asangana. Tongoisa muka bracket. This is equal to minus 2 cross multiplier y is equal to minus 2 multiplying x plus 6. To solve, y is minus 2 times x to minus 2x minus 2 times 6 minus 12. Yabva kumbobuda. Kuti muone kuti iri correct, gradient redu minus 2 rafanana nekuno. But intercept yedu minus 12. E minus because iri pasi pa 0. Panapa panenge pari chi minus 12. So there's something I call mathematical sense. You should have that sense. Sometimes an answer should make sense. Sometimes it shouldn't make sense. So when you are working through things, you should have a feeling of but answer has to make a sense. Then you have to then look into your method. Maybe you did a mistake or it's an error of principle. But ndiyo answer yedu iyo. Toenda here. Zvaoneka. Okay. So tiri pano. Let us do our last question and look for another topic to do. Saka awaredu asarapera saka chatotsvaga imwe yekuita futi topic. Takuda kuita this question November 2019 question 21 paper 1. Inoti chi iri kuti the diagram shows the straight line 3x. So this is 3x plus 4y is equal to 12, which cuts the x-axis at P and y-axis with Q. So I'm going to draw it with Shinyatsu Kuona. Maybe let me do it. So this is our diagram. A line like this. Panotaudzwa kuti ndiani Q, panapa tikaudzwa kuti ndi P. So xy coordinates 0 like that. So let us continue with our question. Iri kuti chi? Once state the coordinates of P and of Q. So let us start with the coordinates of Q. Ma coordinates Q anetse nekuti Q ndiani? Y-intercept. Ndiyo point line redu riri crosser the y-axis. Saka we already know kuti the value of x is going to be 0 and the value of y is going to be c. But kuti tiwane c, we have to express this equation in the y is equals to mx plus c form. Kurava kuti chaendesa 3x kuside uku yoti 4y is equal to minus 3x plus 12. Like that. To divide everything na 4. Kuti ma 4 acheka na uku kusara y is equal to minus 3 over 4x. 4 into 4 ndi 1 into 12 ndi 3. So it's plus 3. Kurava kuti point ish c ndi 3 saka totongoisa chi panapa. Kuti zvirangaririke zvakanaka, point of y-intercept, it's always 0, c. Always. Okay. Saka ko P tinomuwana sei? P anonzi x-intercept. But we don't talk about x-intercept at this level. Saka kuti tiwane p, we should acknowledge kuti the value of y ndi0. Tiri kutenderana here kuti hatisi kuziva hedu kuti x ndiyani asi y ndi0. Ndo point yakanyanya kukosha iyoyo. Tiri tese apa. Saka chatiri kuda is the value of x when y is equal to 0. Saka tinotora equation yedu iyo 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Then to substitute y na 0. Saka it's 3x plus 4 times 0 is equal to 12. Which of course becomes 3x is equals to 12 because 4 ya multiply 0. Divide both sides panapa. Matiri achachekana 3 into 3 1 into 12 ndi 4. Round x is equal to 4. What it means is panapa panenge paina 4. Saka our answer for saka panapa ndakanganwa kulabela, musakanganwa please. Ino EQ mukasalabela exam azivi kuti ipindwe ipi. Saka p inge richi 40. Repeat. And it makes sense because point ish iri right kwa 0, saka should be a positive. Kuri kuti mama wana iri negative, your mind should tell you kuti I must have made a mistake somewhere because my answer is not making sense. Part B, calculate the gradient of the line. Saka 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Gradient line iri kungonyora zvinhu in the form y is equals to mx plus c. Saka 4y is equal to minus 3x because 3x yaenda uko plus 12. Divide everything na 4. Ma4 anochekana panapa ochekana chinoisa 3. Saka y iri equal to minus 3 over 4 plus 3. But isusu tinoziva kuti gradient coefficient ya x. Saka therefore gradient ndi minus 3 over 4. Zvatopera. Saka yanzi 1 mark. Because gradient is the coefficient of x. Part 2. Part 2 yatiri kuda length of PQ. Saka length of PQ ine nzira mbiri kana nhatu dzekuitsvaga nayo. Saka let us explore nzira idzi. But yekutanga ndo yakanyanya kukukosherai nekuti munoiziva. Pane nzira inonzi Pythagoras theorem. Anditi because tanzi titsvage the length of PQ, kureva kuti length yatiri kutsvaga kubva pana P panapa kunobata Q. But of course we know kuti the y line and the x line zvosangana at 90 degrees. Sapa pane 90. Do we know the length yekubva pana 0 kusvikira pana Q? Q tati ndiyanigara zviya ndi 0.3. Kureva kuti panapa the y axis kana kuti y point ndi 3. Saka kuti tiwane length yekubva pano tichienda kuna 0, it's 3 minus 0 which is equal to 3. Panapa pana 4. Saka toti 4 minus 0 towana 4. Zvakakosha because sometimes it's not 0. That's why ndiri kuti minus 0. But are you understanding kuti ndawana say this length yekubva papoint tichienda pana 0 pano nekubva papoint tichienda pana pa0 tichienda papoint. Because that's important stuff there. Munonzwisisa here ndipatsanangure futi. Okay. Saka what it means is we have a triangle like this. Chikadangoshandisa PQ, pano pana P, apo pana Q. Pano taona kuti ndi 3 apo ndi 4. Because line iri hypotenuse, totongoshandisa hypotenuse squared is equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared. But we know kuti hypotenuse ndiyo chi? pq saka tongoti pq squared is equal to 3 squared ndi 9 plus 4 squared ndi 16. pq squared is equal to 16 plus 9 ndi 25. Take the square root of both. Saka pq is equal to 5. Musatemptiwa kuti plus or minus because we cannot have a negative length. Yatobuda formula. Tune formula. But formula yacho it's still Pythagorean. Ngotora Pythagoras theorem. Saka tiri length of a line is equal to the square root of, what do we do? Tinoti, it is equal to the square root of, talking y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1 squared. Ichaintroduced formally kwailefu but ndozvaikaita. Remember panapa kuti 2333 minus 0 roti tatora iri panapa y2 takatora y1 takati y2 minus y1 ndiyo ishi. Panapa tati 4 minus 0 saka tatora x2 na x1 saka x2 minus x1 ndiyo ishi. But kuisa square root nemasquare mukati umu kujamba kwataita kana kuti kubatanidza kwataita zvinhu tichishandisa Pythagoras theorem. Zvatangoita tadai so tangoti pq is equal to the square root of, instead of kuti 3 squared tati 3 minus 0 squared plus 4 minus 0 squared. Ndokunobva ishi. It's the same thing. Saka shandisa Pythagoras theorem. Handiti. Okay. Saka ndo nhau yacho iyi. Pangu ndasakura ndazunza.